Hi guys, thank you for coming in. This is Moving Wheels, and today I'm so much excited to just share with you my journey as a YouTuber, and some of the things that how YouTube has changed my life. And YouTube has changed my life completely, of course in a very positive way, and it has not been easy. This has been a journey with ups and downs. Sometimes I feel like giving up, or I felt like giving up, but then I told myself I need to continue moving on. Close people did not understand me. Close family members, friends, workmates could not understand why I was doing what I was doing, because YouTube, it's not very popular where I come from. It's popular for issues to do with politics. You're taking video for politics, or you're doing videos for news and such kind of things, but just showing people different places. I mean, we have very few people who are doing that, and so it has not been an easy journey for me. But YouTube has really changed me because number one, I've learned so many things. I've learned to work hard for myself in terms of collecting videos, ensuring that I have videos that I need to post. And so every day I'm on the lookout to get to see what do I need to show people, what do I need to capture. And in this channel of mine, what I do is I do what I call local travel content. Of course, we have so many people who travel internationally, but I felt because traveling is quite expensive, let me just begin from where I am and just show people my area, just show people different places from where I live. And then I realized that because my work involves working with communities, I'm always moving from one corner of this country to the other, and I use those opportunities just to capture moments of myself traveling from one point to point A to point B. I use that opportunity showing people, capturing different places, and even showing different things, showing different towns. And actually, in my videos, you'll notice that I'm in the big cities, I'm in the small towns, I'm in the small villages, any place that I'm able to capture video and give you a nice look. So this one has helped me. I mean, it has changed my life in terms of how I get to know many different things, and I've learned so many things. I've learned so many things in YouTube. I've gone to various places, and the other thing I've noted is that sometimes you're in a place, you're in a town, and you don't know what is happening there. I've done some videos in towns, and people come and tell me, oh, I did not know there is such a nice place like that. Oh, I did not know they're building this road. Or I did not know that this and this is happening. And that one has made me to get to know many things. Now, YouTube has helped me also to build a community. I'm so grateful to God and all my followers. I want to thank all of you, because at the moment we are at 15,000 subscribers. And I want to thank each one of you that decided to click the button of subscription. I want to encourage you and promise you that I will do my best to show you different places. I believe one day I'll be able to step out and even show other countries. I know that time is coming. And so YouTube has changed my life in terms of building a community of 15,000 subscribers out of the time of taking this video. That is something which I've been able to do, and I'm so grateful. So that is how YouTube has changed my life. YouTube is also changing my life because my channel got monetized. And so getting monetized is a big milestone for every content creator, because you get to get some payment, you get to share, get some payment from YouTube. And so this is very huge, because I know with time I'll continue building my income and all those things. And so it changes my life, and I believe it will change my life so that I can be able to get good cameras and also be able to make some progress in my life. So YouTube is really changing, and I want to encourage someone who is willing to just do YouTube. Just step out there. Don't worry so much about what people are going to say. Don't even worry so much about where you're going to begin. You have everything that you need. Content is you. Content is you. You know, some people ask, where do I get this content? It is you. I mean, you have lived in this world for some time, and there are many things that you have experienced. Even a child who is 18 years old or 10 years old, they have some experiences. And so regardless of your age, you can still be able to make some good progress in YouTube. You can still be able to make some steps in YouTube. And so I want to encourage you, please step out there. Don't allow anything stop you from becoming a content creator. Because when you talk about creating, is creating, sharing your experiences. Are you retiring? Take that opportunity to tell people on the issues of work. I mean, are you a driver? Show people some of the routes that you use. Are you a mechanic? You repair vehicles? Show people different things. Let them, don't just die with this knowledge. Make sure that you share this knowledge. It's very much important. Whatever you are doing, it is something I want to encourage someone that you can also, YouTube can also be able to change your life by creating content that will add value to people. And so content has changed me. Content has changed me to be also patient with myself. Sometimes I'll do videos that I feel they're not up to the standard, and I'll continue working hard to ensure that I capture the right videos. And so YouTube has changed the way I look at things. YouTube has changed the way I perceive things, and I believe YouTube will also be able to change you. Now, is this one for everyone? You may be there watching and saying, okay, YouTube is not for me, but I'm just sharing this video so that if you're really ambitious, or if you want to begin YouTube, you can also do the same. You never know. You never know. You know, one video can make the difference. One video, one shot that you post can make a difference. You never know which video is going to go viral. And I want to talk also to the content creators that feel like they want to give up. Please don't give up. Keep on showing up. Keep on showing up. Keep on uploading those videos. I think I got surprised recently when I noted there are some videos. There's some videos which I noted they don't have a lot of views. But when you go and check the revenue, you find that the revenue is quite huge. The revenue is quite huge, and I got surprised by that. You find a video that has got very few views, but when you check the revenue, you realize that the video has got high revenue. Other videos have got a lot of views, but they have not generated a lot of views. And so I want to encourage any YouTuber, any content creator that's feeling like giving up, you feel like slowing down, please don't slow down. This is your work. It's your thing. This is your second job if you have another job, or this one may be your main job. This is your business. Don't close the shop. There are many of us who are planning to close the shop. Don't close the shop. Closing the shop is basically saying you're not going to be posting video. Closing shop is saying I feel I cannot be able to make it. Closing shop is saying, oh, people are discouraging me. Closing shop is saying, oh, subscribers are leaving us, or they're not watching the videos. No, keep on showing up. Keep on showing up. Don't allow anything to hold you back. Don't allow anything to make you not make some progress. And so each one of us, we have something that we can offer to the world. We have something we can offer to the world. And never ever think that YouTube is circulated. It is not. There are so many areas that need to be explored. yeah, there's so many areas that need to be explored. And so just begin, hit that record button and move on. So that is the end of my video. I want to encourage you, because YouTube is changing my life. YouTube is also going to change your life because of stepping out and doing what you can to create the content. Where are you going to get the content? The content is you. YouTube has changed my life, and I want it to change your life too. See you in my next one, and please remember, if you have not subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscription button. Make sure that you share with your friends. Let us grow together, and check me in many years to come. I will remember this video as I was reminding you on how, please remind me when you build a channel and it grows to be a big channel, or you make some good progress, just let me know. I'm vlogging from Joska areas in the evening. You can see this is Joska area and the town is over there. This is Joska areas in Kenya. So thank you guys for coming, and you can check out my videos, and God richly bless you.